be here for some time. We are not going to waste much time. So please, as you join me, don't forget to like the video, support the channel by liking the video and share. Comment, tell me where you're watching from as we move forward on this live broadcast. So you have seen the title. We are going to save life, all right? Because the message sounds like a joke, but there's a lot of things behind this information. Okay, we have seen the posts that have been made by Nigerian security agents, the Nigerian Army, announcing that they want to recruit new members to the army, isn't it? So we are going to analyze what that means, because due to hunger and joblessness in the society, some people will see it as okay, an avenue to earn money, but it's a trap. It's a trap because, first of all, it is not official. I mean, from Nigerian state, that the Nigerian Army is in war. Okay, they are not. They're not fighting any war. That's what they said, right? Why are they eager to recruit at this point in time? Some may say, okay, they normally do that often. They normally, recruit people from time to time. But we have also, known that in the past, it will take them some kind of number of people from Southeasterners. But now they are pushing everybody to go and recruit. Just join and join. Our own Excellence Wachukwu is here. How are you, my brother? Long time no see. How are you? I hope all is well with you. So, guys, this recruitment they are talking about is the reason why we are here, okay? But there's other things we are going to touch, which I'm going to bring it to you. So now let's go there, because even PM have reacted to this information. And what you have here is this. This is from Nigerian Army Twitter handle. All right. Let me expand it more. This they post the announcement of recruitment they want to. They have started almost. I think they said when. Let's go through it. Public announcement for A7RRI Nigerian Army recruitment. Okay. Then what you have here, this is to inform the general public and all interested applicants that online application for A7 regular recruits intake for non-tradesmen and women, non-tradesmen and women. I don't know what that means. I don't understand this time. Has commenced. Application starts from 3rd of May, being tomorrow. Okay, 7th to 7th June 2024 rather, sorry. And application is free at the recruitmentarmy.email. Shortlisted candidates will participate in the state recruitment screening exercise scheduled from 20th June to 3rd July. Recruitment into the Nigerian Army is free. Beware of fraudsters. Okay, now this is the sticker they have, Nigerian Army recruitment and all that. Now, as you are about to rush in to fill this form, you first of all ask, what is the minimum wage of Nigerian Army? Like, how much do they pay them? What is, if anything happened to you, maybe you are fighting, you are on a mission, probably to buy people and all that, you know what they do. So if you are being paid, instead of buying people, your family, what is the compensation they're going to get? And what is the system they use in, sending people on a mission? Like, are you going to work based on where you come from, or they choose randomly? How do they do that? because we have seen many news, many information about people they sent to buy Boko Haram, to engage Boko Haram, and they laid ambush from the people working inside that, like those of them that have been recruited in army. And what do? They will pass information to the people that have not been recruited, that so infidel are coming to buy them. They will not lay ambush for you infidel to come to the tribe, they'll buy you. The reason why I decided to come online now is because of this. Because if you have anybody, if you're not living in Nigeria, or if you're living in Nigeria and you have anybody that want to complete the form, I'm not saying you should stop, but know what you are getting yourself into. That is the most important thing I want you to understand. Know what you are getting yourself in, because you may think that you are, yeah, this job opportunity, man, there's no job, or let us do it, let me just, at least I'll be earning, the salary is 50K. That's what I was told. Or let's say they have increased it 50K per month. So 50K, all this thing you see them jumping, pushing themselves, trying to be this and that. 50K salary, 50K Nigeria. And if you check how much is the 50K in dollars, now let us check, because we everything is turning upside down, to be honest with you. I pity some of us that don't understand what is going on. The more you are delaying yourself, the more you are pushing yourself into dispute, because dollar today is not what you can be proud of. I mean, naira today is not what you can be proud of. Okay. Let me. How will I verify this now? Um, okay. Let me use SE. Let me use SE to check the rates. So if you are being paid, if you are to pay, if they pay you 50K per month, let me convert it to naira. 50,000 naira, 50,000 naira in USD. Let's see how much it is. This is Forest Exchange. Let me see how much it will be. Okay. Now look at it. You can see it. You can see the exchange rate. 50,000 naira. Today. This one is live. Okay, 1,395. You can see that this is, look at it. I'm using X. I'm using this EX to convert it. So $35. Okay, let me say approximately $36 a month. Not in a month. So you see the reason why they're mounting roadblock. This is the reason why they're mounting roadblock. So you are in the form to get yourself recruited for you to end up mounting roadblock. Roadblock you are mounting in your own land, not in the north. So if you try it in the north, they will chop your head off. Infidel like you to mount roadblock. Are you mad? You don't do that. My brother Armstrong, how are you? So if you are rushing to that to pick the form, first of all, although that's what they normally train them to, to push how to push wood. So because you have to learn how to push wood and drum, because that's where you'll be earning your real salary, mounting roadblock in different land. But if you are doing that, remember, if anything happens to you, don't blame anybody, because people that own the land say they don't want roadblock. So you have to, I'm just giving you brotherly advice. Like I said in the title, if you check my title, the title of this video, what we said, what you just go there, you see, I put there, no, let's save life. I'm not trying to create fear in you. I'm trying to save your life. Okay, to farm in your village is better than to pick the form. Save life as Nigerian Army announce their recruitment. That's the title of the video, and I know why I put that. I put that title. I know I put that title. Some of us, you know, our people now, only to the respect that how many people are called in the society that like people are, giving them salute. You are this, you are this, you are that. Some people pick the form just to enjoy that respect, to enjoy this respect. Once you enter public transport, you are not going to pay any transportation. You are not going to pay money. Something that cannot happen in any decent society. Imagine today, like our brother Armstrong, you know where you are now. Imagine a soldier from where you are now. You enter bus, and that soldier refuses to pay to show to buy ticket. Not because he don't have money. No, 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 no. Because he's an army officer. So everything is free. Only in Nigeria. These are things that you will benefit. But when people want to question your performance, your threats against them, the system will not protect you. You may end up losing your own life while trying to buy other people. And funny enough, if you fall, your family will get nothing. In fact, they will park you on a hillocks. And you know, some of you before you do this, before you join, make sure you watch many videos about the whole thing that's happening in the northeast and north central. Then you check the one in Biafran land. But ofuma. Before you pick the phone. Because when the time comes, you are not going to blame anybody. You are not going to blame anybody because this is choice you made for yourself. The choice you made for yourself is to buy other people. So if they buy you, remember that the choice that is what you choose for yourself. Armstrong said that means I can pay the salary of 50 army men every month without shaking. What are you talking about? You think I'm joking? Don't worry, Armstrong. You will pay more than because the naira is going to hit 2,000. You know, I told that's a video I made before, telling us that the naira you see today, that was when naira was 1,200. Before they say, oh, it's not back. That naira is falling, is back. Naira dollar is falling. I told them na ebininazu obiogo. Ebininazu obiogo. Meaning that when you see naira trying to revive, it's actually, when you want to jump at, if you see something like a gutter, as we used to call it in Nigeria, right? Those drainage system or soccer, drainage, normal one that they don't cover. Or in Nigeria, if you want to jump it, you have to go back a bit so you to be able to jump properly. That's what Naira did. So now that Naira, trying to do magic as if everything is coming back, don't worry, it will hit 2,000. Then on mockery, started mocking, oh, the Igbos. You think Naira will be this? Even the one from Calabar, Nsima, was celebrating, that City Boy has done it, that he studied the economics, that he's the best in his academic field, that he knows what he's doing. He will bring everything back. Don't worry, it will hit 2,000. In fact, some people have predicted that it will also get to 5K. You see the scarcity of fuel now. What do you think that is because of the scarcity of fuel? Some people will say, hey, it's a normal thing. Okay, no problem. By the time Biafran decide to hit and stop shipment of oil, naira will be a tissue paper. They use Moneta Mohammed. They draw Moneta Mohammed in. I think that is it 10 naira or 20 naira? You know how they and Awolowo is in 100 naira, isn't it? All those things they are painting and they are acting, all those things. It will end up, you know, it will end up meaning nothing. Like, what mention one thing you can buy with 10 naira. It's 10 naira, even 15 naira. And for you to know that these people know how to destroy people's life. Few people that want to sustain Calabar risk, yes. Few people that want to sustain their businesses, their investment, those entrepreneurs, they want to sustain by this. Okay, let me put my money in crypto so that it will be in a dollar. Even if I don't feel way that when they withdraw the money, they will spend it in naira. They will withdraw to spend it. So they want to build the economy of they want to revive dollar. How do they start? They ignore all the senators that are receiving their what's it called? Their allowance in dollars. They ignore all of them. They focus on ordinary civilians, that people that have maybe $10,000, $50,000, $20,000. Some have $3,000. They focus on those people to make sure that they destroy their little business. I know many people that are running business in Nigeria that discussed with me how they can transfer their money from Naira account to crypto. Some of them use Binance, some of them use Bamboo, some of them use different kind of crypto. What EFCs decided to do now is to focus on these little businesses to destroy it, because why would you blame them? When they put, how can you blame them rather? When they put their money in crypto, it is in dollar form. And remember, they use Naira to purchase that dollar. Something that those leaders have been doing, all of them, they know what to do to make the economy strong. But no. Because once they loot money, let me tell you this, between average Nigerians, ordinary people in Nigeria today, and the politicians who need dollar to overshadow Naira more, is those politicians. Why? They all have foreign accounts. They all run their business, their investment, everything in dollars. In dollars. What do you see today? Oh, they invite this person. Oh, they invite this one. Oh, they invite this one. It's just explanation. So it will look like in the middle that EFCC is working. They are working, right? Where they work, where you see that they are working is when it has to do with someone that is not involved in any politics. Diana, I see you, my sister. How are you? Good afternoon to you. Nice to see you. Sunny, thank you for coming. I see you guys. So what they do, they focus on those little businesses, and they undermine the politicians that have been looting, not millions. We are talking about billions. Something that if they actually want to revive things, they know what to do. Kojo, I see you. Kojo Williams, I see you, my brother. I see you. So they focus on those things and ignore people that are actually destroying the economy. Another thing, they will start telling you, okay, don't put your money in crypto, leave it in Naira. If you leave it in that Naira, how much do you have? Or that's your money. What value do you think it will help Nigerian economy? Because once you are put the money, somebody is there withdrawing that money in dollars to his own foreign account. All of them have foreign accounts. If not, how do they transfer money? How do they pay their school fees of their children abroad? Even the so-called celebrities that you see today, that are all those comedians, all of them that are giving birth in US, in Canada, in Europe, and all that, their children, their wives, their cousins, all of them, their family, they are all in abroad. The money they spend in abroad is what they're making that money from Nigeria. Transferring money, pulling money out from Nigeria to pay school fees abroad. And doing that, that is what reduces the GDP of the country. Not people that have little businesses that are trying to save their capital. They will use that money to buy goods and bring it to Nigeria, and custom will be there taking their own bribe using the same dollar exchange rate to give tax of importation. That the ones you like, some people that if you normally send the 20 feet container, all right, and you clearance, maybe let's say clearance end up, maybe you spend maybe 6 mil to clear it up, and because of this dollar now, the same government will increase it on their own, increase the tariff, increase everything that you have to pay from 6 to 9 or 10 million, because dollar is high, expecting the business person that import that good, that paid you the tax, as you increase the tax, you expect them to reduce the cost of that goods, because it's a private business, so it doesn't really matter. That's why anybody, if best thing to do, look for a cryptocurrency or e-wallet that will help you to do your transaction. That is the way to go. So let me not deviate from this, but let me go back to the recruitment of Nigerian Army and their praises, how they are trying to make it look like everything is working, whereas it's not working. Nothing is different. Nothing different from what happened before. We are going to listen to one of the army, and the guy looks so innocent, and he's a very young guy, very, very young guy. Some of you have seen the video, but I will share it with you. The guy I'm talking about is this. This is a Nigerian army, okay, and he's to preach, to people, especially their friends, and what he says here we amaze you. And let me read this is the reply that he want to reply. He want to answer in this short video. He said, this person posted, is a veteran. He said, I will promise every Igbo man that is in service in Zoo Army, if you come east to fight us, if you come to east to fight us, we will use you for sacrifice. Now, this guy said this.
Yeah, let me just yeah, let me just reply to your comments. He said he promised any Igbo soldier that serving in his country, if they deploy in the east to come and fight, that he will kill them all. And they're your brothers, they're okay, you kill them. Now you're clamoring that you want to have your foundation with Biafra. Okay,
Please, is the
fine.
voice out? Can you hear what this guy is saying, or do I need to bring it? Do I have to flip the camera? Please let me know. If it is audible enough, you let me know so we can continue. Can someone confirm, please? Did you hear what he's saying? Let me play it again.
Okay, eventually now, federal government are giving your Biafra nation now and kill all your brother, your kinsmen that serving in the army.
Can you hear what he's saying?
Soldier who is going to train the young one that wants to join the start and fresh complete. Your brother, you want to destroy your own. So people are eventually now making a cause now.
Not audible enough. Okay, thank you. Let me flip it this way. I believe once I play it now, you hear what he's saying, because even me here, I notice that I struggle to hear it as well, but sometimes you hear it more than me. Okay, let's confirm it again.
Yeah, let me just reply to your comments. He said he promised any Igbo soldier that serving in his country, if they deploy in the east to come and fight, that he will kill them all. And they're your brothers, they're okay, you kill them. Now you're clamoring that you want to have your foundation with Biafra. Okay, eventually now, federal government are giving your Biafra nation now and kill all your brother, your kinsmen that serving in the army. Who is going to be your soldier? Who is going to train the young one that will want to join you?
Still not enough.
Your brother, you want to destroy your own. Some people are eventually making a cause now. Go and join the military. Immediately they join the military and you don't even know. So you to kill your cousin brother, your own brother that you don't know that is your own. Don't let this picture that because yeah, let me just reply to your comments. He said he promised any Igbo soldier that is serving his country, if they deploy in the east to come and fight, that he will kill them all.
Okay, let me try to repeat what he said. He said, Okay, he was referring to the comment that I just showed you. The comment that I read out before. He said, okay, you are telling us that you want, if any soldier, Igbo soldier is serving in zoo country, step their foot on in Biafran land, that you are going to buy them. Okay, if you buy them, don't you know that you are buying your brother? You are buying your brother, and if you buy your brother, when federal government decide to give you people, just listen. When federal government decide to give you people that Biafra, who will train the army that you have in that your Biafra, after buying your brothers? Now, he don't want to condemn the fact that somebody sent them to Biafra to buy people. Because what the guy said here, if you are being deployed to Biafra land, that you are going to be used for sacrifice. That's what the comment said. And he was trying to counter that comment by telling the guy, okay, are you telling us that if your brother is being deployed in Biafra land, and after buying them, don't you know that you're buying your brother? Then he don't want to mention that our brother in army, okay, no voice. Yeah, that's why I'm repeating what he said. Everybody's complaining that the voice is very, very low, and I have high all the volume that I can touch, and it's not audible enough. So because when I listen to that, I used earpiece. So now I remove the earphone, and it's still not audible enough. So, but what I'm telling you now is what the army guy is saying. Let's flip the camera so that I'll be telling you why you are watching his face. All right. Let me repeat it again. You are not going to hear anything. Please. He said, listen. Let me just reply to your comment. So you're promising me that any Igbo soldiers they've been deployed to Southeast will get killed. That if they deploy them to come and fight you, that you will kill them. They are your brothers. If you kill them, now that you are clamoring that you want to have your own nation, Biafra. Okay, eventually, if federal government gives you that Biafra, if federal government decide to give you that your Biafra, if you kill all the soldiers that have been deployed to your region, Southeast, and they're your brothers, your kinsmen that are serving in Nigerian Army, who is going to be your soldier in that Biafra? Who is going to train the young ones when you want to have your own army? You have to start afresh. That is your brother. You want to destroy your own, and you don't know that. So sometimes you don't know that your brother have decided to go and join the military, and that your brother is being deployed to Southeast, and you buy your brother. Immediately they join the military, and you don't even know, and they deploy them to your region, and you use your hand to kill your cousin, your own brother, that you don't even know that he's in the military. Don't let this hatred to be because of the individual end. Now, he did not tell you that's where I want to come in, because that's your brother that been sent to Southeast. For what purpose? Do you think they sent that your brother to Southeast to go and do what? To go and take photo shots, or to go and handshake with the civilians? You came to buy people. You understand? So you don't blame that our brother in Nigerian Army that allowed himself to be deployed to buy innocent people, and truly he came there and buy people, believing that nobody knows him because he's in khaki. So if anything happened to him, who are you going to blame? Are you going to blame people that defend themselves? No, it's not as if Biafrans travel from Biafran land to Kafanchan to engage that our brother that is working in a Nigerian Army. So understand this, it's something that many Nigerians like to do. They will ignore the problem to solve, to shake what does not matter. I wonder why some people reason that way. You can see this guy telling you that your brother is in Nigerian Army. For that, for sake of that your brother that is in Nigerian Army, they gave a catapult to come down to buy people anyhow. And because of your brother, let him buy and go. Yes, now because your brother, but let him buy and go. And he's a very young guy. You can see, very young guy. I pity him. What he's trying to show, show concern, but he refused to see it the way it's supposed to be. Although if maybe he know what I'm talking about, but he cannot do that. Maybe what he's saying here now is for people to in the army to like him. Oh, you are trying to preach to your people, because looking at this guy, there's no way this guy is a Northerner. He's not a Northerner. When you listen to his accent, either he's an Igbo or Yoruba or any other place. But all I know is from the south. You understand? This guy is from the south. There's nothing Northerner in his body. So now he's using Biafran as an example. What about our brother that have been sent to engage Boko Haram and they buy them there? And we have been told that some of them by not because the firepower of Boko Haram supersede them, but sometimes many of them that when you hear the ambush and it is people working, their colleague lure them to that route to go and engage Boko Haram, and they will tell Boko Haram people to lay ambush that infidels are coming. You understand? People may not tell you this, but that's what is going on. And this guy is trying to focus on Biafran land. Yes, it's good to focus on Biafran land because all issue may born and free. Probably he have witnessed what is going on in Southeast that the media are not telling you, and that is between them. That is for them. So you understand. So I'm not here to paint that. And this our brother shared this video said the pythons have turned to motivational speakers. No more dancers. You got the point. Oh yeah, retweet. Okay, this video is very short but very funny. Very funny. So back to people. If you have anybody that is interested in picking the form, save the life. Save the life, because the more you are acting as if nothing happened, the more you are exposing yourself. Picking the form to fight your brother. Let's start from there, not even from what this guy is saying. Why would you pick a form knowing fully well that you deploy to buy your people? Why would you pick such form? Automatically, if you pick, that means you are an enemy of your people. Nothing more. You are an enemy, because army is one of the organizations that every country have. In fact, there is no state, no country in this world that don't have their own army, right? Fine. Why is Nigeria's own function different from totally different from what other army do? Adego, my sister, I see you. Good afternoon, brother. Thank you so much. Ikechukwu Jude, the United States of Biafra Army are well trained. Again, we are in Biafra already. My brother, we are not. I see when he mentioned who we train your people, did you hear me making any comments? As if every army organization or country in the world must go to Nigerian Army to. I beg you, please release some of your personnel, come and train us. Between Nigerian Army and Biafran Army, who need to train each other? That's a story for another day. I don't just want to comment on that. Who need to train each other? There are difference between in face-to-face engagement and the terrorism act. Like, terrorism act is like when somebody is sleeping, a warrior is sleeping, you just kept quiet, you were panicking in the daytime, you can't even say anything, and daytime at night you sneak out to pour fuel and light, put on fire and run away. Is that that is not what soldiers are known for. That is not what soldiers are known for. So I don't want to comment on the activities of the Nigerian Army so far in Southeast. They themselves know, and everybody know. Why would I be the ones telling you? You can see it yourself. So if I'm not, go and follow PM on Twitter so that you understand everything. If you don't want, maybe some of you that believe, oh, PM is forging the story. No, it's not real. It's not real. Fine. Call people who lives in those areas that matters. Ask question. If you don't, then go and watch statement of the army chief when he went to National Assembly complaining about the sabotage of PM and reference to their effort in Southeast. Then you ask yourself, what efforts are they even having in Southeast that somebody is sabotaging? I mean, because I don't know anything. Do we have any crisis or war in Southeast? The answer is no. I'm talking about then, not now. Now, yes, we do. Okay. Then, no. It's just that the effort that I know, that could be the one that he's talking about, is that they want to create fear in the minds of Biafran, and Biafran have their own army that said, wow, we cannot be here and you are here to intimidate our people. That's the only offense. And some of them, like this guy crying, telling you, oh, don't buy your people, don't buy your people. What did you go there to do? You were deployed to where? I mean, ask yourself, like the broadcast that we finished a few hours ago. I asked this question: what was happening in Southeast before they decided to send Python to dance? We were not having any crisis. They created it on attempt to make you to create fear in you that, look, if you do anyhow, you see anyhow. That kind of, if you do anyhow, you see anyhow. Then people have seen that anyhow, and they are not getting used to that anyhow. You understand? So if you know, I'm also open up and say everything, but you know what I'm talking about. So sometimes we need to say it the way it is, but sometimes we need to allow people to do the research on their own, just to give you an idea of what is happening. The boy already know that he will be paid being sent to the front. Anyway, Ikechukwu, we don't celebrate, the death of the living. We don't do. Igbo people is a taboo, so don't do that. He's still alive, okay? He's still alive. My concern is Biafrans. If somebody from other tribe decide to put head, you understand what I'm saying? So be it. Maybe you can say he thought it's business as usual. But they will front you, send you as a brother. For knowing fully that you may not make it, they send you, they say your brother will be the one to buy you. And you agree. Are you going to blame yourself or people that is there on ground, or you are going to blame the government that actually sent you there? These are things you need to weigh before you make a choice. Otherwise, you may not like the outcome. You may not like the outcome. It is always good for you to put this kind of analysis, do some checks and balances before you venture into such uncalled visit. Going into different land to intimidate people, believing that I can do it. I can do it mentality. Then our sister Dana said he is still sleeping, thinking he is talking. If anyone from the if anyone from the southern part of Nigeria joined Nigerian forces, now you are the one that wasted your life, because he already in the army. He's already in the army, and he's trying to play mind game. Try to let you know that if you want to reduce that kind of strength, just take it easy. Take it easy so that people will. Oh my goodness. Why in Kano? I see you. I want to vote for Biafran referendum. How do we vote, please? Okay. Just stay active here. I will post just be active. I will post the link. Let me get it from my community. Excellence, what you could say, yes, okay. So those is that your name? Live. I'm from Bangkok, Thailand. Okay, nice to have you from Bangkok, Thailand. How are you today? So, okay, let me go straight to let me get this because voting is very important. I think that should be one of the things we have to be doing often here, because that is, I have to step up on that. Every time we are live, we have to discuss about voting, because second phase have started. We need to start talking about this voting. It is very, very, very important. Very, very important in the life of every well meaningful Biafrans and lovers of freedom. We have to do that. All this effort that PM and different governments are putting should not be taken for granted. Shouldn't be taken for granted. It is for the sake of everybody, both Biafrans and non-Biafrans. You may not understand it, but time will come when you understand it. I'm trying to get the, okay, let me, some of you don't check the community, because this link that this person is asking me is in the community. You can get it there. I posted it there for anyone that's want to, if you want to vote. Why in Kano? Are you still here? I don't want to waste my time. Then, if you're not active, please make sure you are waiting so that I will get you the link. Some of you have not voted. Please, if you have not voted, this link will, you have to save it. You have to take the link and go and vote. If your sister, your brother have not cast his or her vote, don't waste time. Go and vote. Go and vote. It is very, very important you do. Go and vote. Um, voting link. Just bear with me, please, guys, because sometimes when we are, if you abandon the stream to do other things like this, you'll be distracted. But this voting is very, very important. It's not something that I will tell the person, okay, go and search or go and do. No. Some of them, some of us don't don't know how to get the link or where to get it. And if you allow them, the person may meet people that are actually discouraging others from voting, because they don't want their friend to come. So they don't want. So when you say they want to come, some people think that it's your personal business. It is for betterment of everybody, both you and me. So nobody owns it. You know, nobody have it alone. So it's for everybody. Let me get the link. Okay, here we are. Very, very important. Our own brother is here, Freeman. Uh, link for ballots. Okay, please, my sister, try and follow this link. You will cast your vote. Very, very easy and simple. Very, very easy and simple. Okay, it's self-explanatory. If you have any difficulties, come back. You can take my email and inbox me. But don't tell me to vote for you, because I have stopped voting for people. I don't have another email to do that. Some people are still sending information to me, even though I've announced it many times. I don't have more email to do it for you, and I don't want to start. I don't want to ask you to give me your email and password, so that if anything happened to your document, you start calling me. Oh, ever since I gave you, so don't give me, please. I don't need it. Just try your best and follow 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 it, step by step. It is self-explanatory. If you can read and write, voting shouldn't be a problem to you at all. Shouldn't be a problem to you. It is very, very important you do. So, guys, we are moving to another thing. Okay. Uh, in our last broadcast, one brother from Benin, Edo State, was very, very active on comment section. I hope that guy is. I don't know if he watches video or he's alive here. If he's live with us, please, brother, you can comment, because this video will make your day. This is in Edo State. Okay, this is in Edo State. What you're hearing now is okay. Let me flip the camera so you can see, because I don't think there's something dangerous here to be avoid. Okay, let me take it back a bit.
This is Fulani camp inside forest. This is the State Security Network on Bush Gobi. Yes, this is where they stay. This is their house. Fulani camp at the Southwest local government in a village called Battery village now. Ishuli. In a camp called Ishuli. This is their camp, Fulani camp, where they stay. So, just evil at the local government. Okay, Agbade. Okay, this is Agbade. We entered through East and West and finally landed ourselves at Agbade. This is a camp where the Fulani stays. Look at it. Look at it. This is where they stay. These are members of State Security Network. Member of State Security Network in their camp at Agbede houses in Edo State local government, in Edo State of Nigeria. Agbede houses. This is where the states constitute evil. Hey, look at them. Look at their children. Look at their children. Look at their children. Look at one of their wives, their mother. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. A camp where the Fulanis settled down inside the forest in Edo State. This is Agbede houses. Look at this. Look at their house. Look at their people. Look at their houses. They constructed by themselves where they live. Inside the tropical forest. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them.
So this video that you just watched now is Fulani inside thick forest somewhere in Edo State. And they were there, you know, that's what they normally do. Once they have this kind of thick forest, they build, you can see how they clear this place. Very far from where people live. Inside thick forest, they have built this community. Once they kidnap people, they come here. Once they want to buy people in here, you can see, you know, very vast land. What you can see here, this is their cattle, isn't it? Very far from the house, but all this area, nobody, not even the owner of the land, knows what is happening here. And if you enter here alone, bye-bye, Agwoge Kabacha. Now, Edo people have their own vigilante, okay, vigilante group or whatever they call that. They will decide to, you know, enter here. Successfully, they landed here, and this is what you can see. You can see the house. You can see it. So once they dominate your forest like this, if they commit anything inside in the town or in the village, where will you run to? If you are running thinking that you're going to your forest to hide, you are going to the base. Do you understand? You are going to the base. But I don't know how, if this would let us set these houses up ablaze, because that's what Biafran do, to make sure you see these children. I don't know how they do this. You see these little children, no education, they don't care about that one. No, there's no need to education, because government is education, and the government is God. The government is everything for them. Some of them gave birth to these children here. These children, maybe they gave birth to them in this forest. You understand? And that is people that you want to trust. Look at it. Look at it. Inside Benio, in Benin City. Benin State, I mean. In Benin State. So, what these people you are seeing here, they are not ESN. They are not Biafrans. This is Edo youths, the vigilante, but I think they're working on that government, okay, because that's why you have this kind of, because everybody want to have special force, or every organization want to, you know, their emblem to be special force and all this. From us, the one where is that started to about special force today? See, every state, if you have anything to do, look at, and remember, wounded civilian, in the video that I shared with us last week. You know, the video that it was it last week or I think, yeah, last week or early this week. I can't remember the video that I shared with Lizzie. All right, that video, wounded civilian from Benin City were insulting Igbos. The Igbos are acting as if they are this. They are trying to beat drum of war. They are trying to Fulani this, Fulani this. That what the Fulani are they not Nigerians? Look at this is his state. But you know, the hate, because of the hate you have about on Igbo people, it will cover your brain. You can't reason properly. Everything you want to do is against Igbo. My people, let me end the video here. We are going to be live again. Let our broadcast. Hopefully, I pray I will make it. Thank you so much for watching, and please like the video, share it, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Very important. If you are not following me on Facebook, please search my name on Facebook, Kai Report as well. Support me there. I need more of you there. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful evening, afternoon, depending on time zone. Some of you are in the morning. Take care of yourself, and we are going to be live again. Bye bye for now. Dana, my greeting to you. Ikechuku Jude, I greet you. Adego, I greet you. We again, of course, Armstrong, one of us. I greet you. T. McDonald, I see you. I greet you all. I greet you all. Thank you for your comment and your support. Kojo Williams, nice to have you on this live broadcast. See you again. Bye bye for now.